What is a memoir not? A memoir is not an autobiography. It is not a chronological account of your life from cradle to current day. It is not a detailed expose of your life blow by blow. And nor is it a tale of vengeance or retribution for all the wrongs that have been done to you. There are, of course, memoirs that have all those elements, but if that is what you think is a memoir, actually what I think you have is really the beginning of a bitter autobiography. So what is a memoir? A memoir is an exploration of something in your life that you want to unpack and convey to the reader so that the reader knows this about themselves too. And we do this in two ways. First, we speak or we write to a universal truth, and that universal truth is the theme of your memoir. Then two, we take the reader on a journey. And this journey, we use our life to illustrate it and to illustrate the universal theme on this journey by using elements from our life, stories from our life, details of our life, happenings in our life to illustrate this universal theme, to illustrate this truth. And we only use details, we only use stories that speak to this topic. Everything else we don't use. And those are the essential elements of a memoir. And then, like all good stories, a good memoir needs an element of redemption. And when you have all of that together, you have a great memoir. I'm Brenda, and this is Write Your Story. I'm here to help you to write your story. Do subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.